Hi there, Art Maniacs. Get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Gary from SpongeBob. So cute. Okay, to start with, we are gonna put a great big circle right here. And it's probably a little bigger than my thumb. And then we're going to be drawing another circle inside that one. And another circle inside that one with a little V like that. So it looks like a little Pac-Man. Then we're gonna do the same thing over here. So I'm gonna make a few marks so I know how big to make it so it's kind of more even. Doing the same thing, great big circle, another circle with a V in it. All right. So then this is all black. There we go, Gary. Then I'm going to draw a line coming down, and it's a little curvy, and it's probably about as big as my hand. And then I'm going to draw another line coming down. And then I'm going to draw the front of Gary, which is like a letter S kind of. And then I'm going to draw another line coming down. And my last line coming down like that. There we go. Then I'm going to draw a line coming out, back, and down, and just kind of curving around like so. And then it's going to come underneath and just go wavy. There, perfect. Okay, now for Gary's shell. So we're gonna start with a line like that. Then we're gonna put another line like that back here. And then we're gonna go almost to the top of our page right there. And we're just gonna come all the way up, go behind his eye, down and back around like that. And then Gary has a little design in his shell. Whew. And he's got some little snail spots on his shell. There we are. Oh my gosh, he's so funny. And then we'll put the ground here, so he's just kind of taking a walk on the bottom of the ocean. There we go. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Armenia. Thanks for watching.